Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Jeep Cherokee jack. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the opposite wheels to prevent any movement. Safety is paramount, so always take these precautions. Identifying the correct jacking points on your Jeep's frame is crucial for stability and to avoid damage. Consult your owner's manual for precise locations. Before you begin lifting, gather all necessary tools: your jack, the lug wrench, and your spare tire. Using the lug wrench, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you intend to remove while the vehicle is still on the ground. This makes removal much easier later. Now, carefully position the jack directly under the designated jacking point, ensuring it's stable and centered for a safe lift. With the jack properly placed, slowly begin to raise your Jeep. Turn the jack handle clockwise until the tire is completely off the ground, allowing enough space for the spare. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand under the vehicle's frame, near the jack point, for crucial secondary support. Remember, never rely solely on the jack when working underneath your vehicle. Safety first. After securing the new wheel and tightening the lug nuts by hand, carefully remove the jack stand. Then, slowly lower your Jeep by turning the jack handle counterclockwise until the vehicle is fully on the ground. Finish by tightening the lug nuts completely in a star pattern. For more great tips and deals, including a link to an amazing portable e-reader, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.